I have a new toy. Harbor Freight Tool Special. Made in China. What isn't? It's a 4.5-inch angle grinder. Just got it yesterday. Figured I'd do a little review on it. Shield is metal. Sitting on a bar stool, can you tell? The shield is metal. This is cool. It's like grippy, but it's kind of like a plasticky. It's pretty cool. The trigger has a lock, so it can stay on and you can trap your finger off. No, I'm kidding. I hope not. That little button there locks the spindle. So when you want to change different, what are they called? Grinding things. Grinding wheels. When you want to change different grinding wheels, it locks it, and they give you a special wrench along with the handle. The wrench fit into the two slots. And 2 spikes. And that fits in there. There's no nut. It's just holding it by that button and spinning it, which is cool. Cheap. $10 with one of those super things. There is a handle. This is aluminum. Grinding wheels are sold separately. Cheap enough. I also have a Harbor Freight Tool drill. Same off-brand Drill Master. That has to be the best drill I've ever bought. Honestly. I've had to charge the battery like 4 times and it's like 4 months old, so that's like once a month. It was like $16. A little light. Goes pretty fast. I mean, that light doesn't, you don't need the light if that's the selling point. Nice comfortable grip. It's not too heavy, but it is kind of heavy. It's like a normal drill. 18 volt. 3/8 of an inch drill. 900 RPM max. 11,000 RPM max. So far I'm happy with it. 20 different torque settings. So Drill Master for me has been genuinely okay. People despise Harbor Freight tools. I can understand that. But for non-professional use, it's pretty cool. The grinder's pretty cool. I mean, it's definitely worth the $10. And so the drill was definitely worth the $16 too. Keyless chuck. You don't really get a keyed chuck unless you get one of those. The bits or anything don't come with it. A complaint is that it doesn't have a holder for your bits anywhere. So you kind of just have to lose it. Other than that, pretty cool. So, not a very detailed review, but it's close enough. You get the gist of it if you're in the market for buying one. I mean, can't really go wrong with $10. It's got a decently long power cord too. Cool. And thank you for watching my videos. Drill Master.